Hello, Bobby Cameron here, Dave Smith Motors, helping out our friends at the 2019 SEMA show. I'm going to show you this Jeep that we did and build with them, actually to bring down here to not only display the products we sell at Dave Smith Motors, but also the awesome coating that we got from TurboLiner, we've been carrying their product for over 20 years, and we feel it's an excellent product. So as you can see from the front, our friends at Truck Hero helped us out. They gave us this Rampage front bumper. We installed a synthetic rope, worn winch. We did our exclusive coating on this, gave it the one-of-a-kind touch, put some red accents to tie it in with the Rubicon package that you get from Jeep. Nice 2-inch Mopar lift, super cool 2.5-inch Fox shocks. We also replaced it with these steel fender flares that we put our proprietary coating that we get from TurboLiner also on. 20-inch Dirty Life wheels. Followed the similar theme there with the red accents tied all in together. You look up in here, you'll see some wheel well liners. Those are really a nice finishing touch when you're doing these smaller fender flares. Those were sourced by DV8. As we work our way to the back, you'll see we put a set of Westin lights up on here, which are a great light for the money. We got some Rampage tubular doors. We're big fans of these. They don't rattle. The lock works really good. Also from the folks there at Truck Hero. We got a Hella Light, Smitty belt rack. We went a step further with our TurboLiner product, and we mixed in the same color into our TurboLiner product and went and sprayed the roof on this. It's hard to tell in the lighting, but it's got that metallic. In the sun, you'd really see that show. Interior, we wanted to get a little bit more contrast, again, with that same red. We got a cat skin and leather interior kit. We put the Jeep logos, the contrast stitching. We get a lot of compliments on that here at the show. The back of this Jeep's been getting just as much attention as the front. We went ahead with a spare tire relocator to get that away and hold that big 38-inch tire. Again, a Rampage rear bumper that we coated. Sprayed the coating also on those clevises there to give it a really distinct contrast again. A lot of people haven't seen these, but this is a new product from Rugged Ridge. This is their taillight cover. Coated them, put them on. It gives it really that unique look.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.